Hi guys. Hey, I got the General Lee done for the under 1,000 subscriber group build. It was put on by Mike at Model Speed Shop and Rob at Time Machine Scale Models. Huge thanks go out to those guys for putting this on and getting me to actually get off my duff and build something. Finding it's kind of fun to be in these group builds and get stuff done, but no, she's done. Um, this is all stock, other than I robbed the antenna out of my 56 Chevy Bel Air build that's coming. The decals are all the stock factory decals that come with the kit. The '01 is actually too big. Shouldn't be that tall, but it is what it is. Um, the front end, I had to do a lot of massaging. Um, I know that Grady at Uncle Sweetie's Models, he's building a couple, excuse me, a couple of these General Lees, and just be careful with your front end, Grady, because you're gonna do a lot of sanding. Um, Went ahead and I weathered it up, just kind of dirtied up the underside of the hood. Um, Weathered it up in there. Um, got the sides where it's got some dirt and stuff thrown back, from the tires. Um, the underside of it, I weathered more because it's just kind of how it is. Um, Even I don't know, see if I can get that to focus in. Um, there's red where I diluted it down and made it like it's got some transmission fluid on the back of the transmission. Um, the K member, all scratched up, of course, it from jumping and whatnot. And the bottom of the rear end and the bottom of the leaf spring brackets, got them pretty well scratched up, because they're again the same thing if it's jumped. Um, Now, this is mostly all from this particular kit, other than I took out of the 69 Charger Country Charger kit. Um, it had on the decals, I don't know why, but they had a license plate that used to be CNH 320 when this was a General Lee kit, but for some stupid reason they made it ONH 320. So I had to go in and change the license plate with some white paint and some red paint and make that, the proper license plate for the General Lee. Same thing with the back bumper. A lot of sanding, a lot of just fine tuning. Don't if you have this kit or if you have the Country Charger, do not glue anything together on this car until you have test fitted each and every part, because otherwise you're going to end up with glue everywhere, glue smudges, this, that, and the other, and you're going to be pissed off and want to throw it in the garbage can. Ask me how I know. But, yeah, I'm really happy with the car. God, this is only like the second or third model I built here in quite a while. I just, got off on the radio control stuff and got off on that tangent and started, leaving my models aside. And man, I mean, with these builds and stuff, it's really cool to have that kind of a camaraderie with the different model builders we have out there. Um, I'm really glad that I was, able to be a part of this, and definitely looking forward to whatever the next one is. I'll have to see about what the next builds and stuff are, but because I'm still going to be under 1,000 subs if there's another build like that. The hood doesn't exactly fit right, but that's kind of typical. But my main thing was trying to get the grill to fit inside the fenders right, and to get the bumper to fit right. The push bar, don't even ask me about. That's kind of a sore subject, but I'll just say I had to use super glue on that. It's the only thing on this car I use super glue on, because I've got all these tubes, the good old blue and white Testors glue. So since I'm back building again, there we go. But yeah, so like I said, that's my final on my under 1,000 subscribers build. And like I said, huge thanks go out to Mike and to Rob for coming up with the idea of this. And it'll be awesome. Oh, I just noticed one thing I still gotta do. I gotta do the red back marker light, the little reflector light. Okay, other than that, I'm good. I'm not worried about the front because it's orange anyway. But yeah, other than that, I think everything is done. Kind of dirtied up the inside a little bit. Um, kind of just, there again. I mean, Duke boys are sliding in and out of it. Um, got the headliner all painted. I noticed a lot of people don't think about that, but like with this car, you see a lot of the headliner, and so I went ahead and I painted the headliner and around the windshield all tan, all the silver around the windows. I just did that with a Sharpie, door handles, the Sharpie. I actually did the wheels with a Sharpie. Painted the black and then just went around and detailed out the wheels with a Sharpie. Um, but yeah, I'm saying Bo and Luke are ready to rock and roll. So yeah, like I said, thanks for everybody that's followed this build. It's been a lot of fun. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. Please subscribe, like, and I'm definitely looking forward to more stuff coming up. So, but that puts a wrap on my under 1,000 group build. So, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and stay safe out there, and yeehaw! Take care, guys.